Hi there, I'm Alice. Welcome to my channel Easy English with Alice. I was waiting for this video for quite a long time because it's I don't know, like it's so positive, it's so about having fun that I'm really happy that it's coming, that it's released. So, the topic of our lesson is 10 phrasal verbs to cheer you up. You know that now I'm emphasis on phrasal verbs. Yeah, so I've decided that this topic will be very, very great for you because it combines both fun and, of course, learning process. So today we will have a great topic which is going to perform both functions to cheer you up, so you will have some fun and to learn some important phrasal verbs. You already heard one phrasal verb we will be discussing, which is cheer up. When you're feeling sad and then you start to feel happy again, you're starting to cheer up. This phrasal verb is often used to encourage other people to have a more positive attitude. So, for instance, if your friend is desperate because he or she did quite badly on math test, you can say, cheer up, you will do it better next time. You can also do things to help cheer another person up. So imagine your boyfriend or girlfriend is afraid of going to a dentist, but he or she really needs to go this time. So you could say, I'm going to go with my fiance, I'm going to go in with my fiancé to a dentist to help cheer him up or her up. Our second phrasal verb is lash out at. When someone suddenly and unexpectedly speaks to you in an angry way or yells at you, they are lashing out at you. So, for example, if your best friend tends to get angry and impatient when her life is very busy, you could say, my best friend always lashes out at people when she's under a lot of stress. Crack up. To crack up is to suddenly start laughing. We also say burst out of laughing. For example, if something funny happens during English class, you could say, the whole class cracked up when the teacher was telling us anecdotes. Calm down. The phrasal verb calm down is used to describe the process of going from angry or agitated to a more relaxed calm. For example, if your mom has had a really bad working day, she's screaming at everyone home, you could say, I'm staying away from my mom until she calms down. Phrasal verb choke up. Choke up when you feel such a strong emotion that it's difficult for you to talk. This is called choking up. So let's imagine you're listening to a speech when the speaker suddenly started to talk about the most unforgettable memory of his life. You could then say, he choked up when he started to talk about his first love happened at school camp. So this emotion was really strong to forget about it. Yeah, and it's still deep in his soul or heart. Let someone down. To let someone down is to disappoint someone. So it happens when you forgot something really important, like the birthday of your mom, for example, and everyone has prepared the gift except for you. You feel yourself like you betrayed her, and you could say, I'm really sorry, I know I let you down. Phrasal verb number 7. Phrasal verb number 7, which is go on. When you don't like something at the first impression, but gradually you begin to like it more and more, that thing has grown on you. For example, imagine you don't like a newcomer at school when you saw him or her, the first time. However, over time, after having some connections with the person, you begin to think, he's not so bad, yeah? And then after a while you think, hey, I actually like him. I feel he's my real friend, yeah? So you can say, at first I didn't like his behavior, but then it grew on me. So generally you changed your attitude to the person, yeah? So the feeling grew on you. Phrasal verb number 8 is bottle up. To bottle up your emotions is to keep them inside and not express them. A good illustration here would be the situation: you have a friend who's going through many difficult events, yeah, but he never talks about the problems, and he pretends that everything is okay. So you could say, it's not healthy to bottle up your feelings like that. Phrasal verb number 9 is goof off or goof around. So these phrasal verbs mean to act silly and not being serious, yeah? For example, if there are 3 students in your class who are always talking and laughing during the lesson, passing each other notes, watching videos on their cell phones, etc., not listening to the teacher might say, hey you guys, quit goofing off and do some work. That is it for our 20 phrasal verbs. But before we come to the end of our lesson, I want you to give an advice concerning phrasal verbs learning. Learn phrasal verbs in natural way. So if you want to be fluent in English, you need to know phrasal verbs. However, most traditional English textbooks don't focus on them. So for that reason, it is really good idea to listen to different spoken resources, like some TV shows in English, some series, of course, some your favorite YouTube channels about English language. I hope one of them is mine. Listening and reading to the spoken conversations, you will understand how each phrasal verb is used in spoken English. There are, of course, much more ways to learn phrasal verbs, and the main ones which I recommend you to use were counted in my previous lesson about phrasal verb. I will leave the link to the video in the description box. So guys, I hope you have understood everything about phrasal verbs. If you have any questions, if you want to get some details straight, please leave your comments in the comments section below. I hope I will help you. So thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please click on thumbs up, subscribe me here on my YouTube, and of course follow me in all the social media.